Remember this beautiful forest behind me? I wanted to go and see what is inside. It's only a 15-minute drive from the hotel, but seems like a different world.
You belong here.
This forest has not been touched.
With me.
Just pure nature. And
And
with that comes original wildlife. We saw a family of baboons walking ahead of us on the road.
You belong here with me.
I was so excited.
I belong.
And further up front, we even saw some other ones with long white tails.
Every day here always feels so.
But what we really came here to see was this: the crocodiles. The crocodile farm of Arba Mage.
I belong here with
There were so many crocodiles, I couldn't count them. But it was quite impressive to see so many of them in one place. And saying goodbye to the crocodiles also meant saying goodbye to Arba Mage. It was time to go back to Addis.